We want to provide a local factory that can now spur local economic development here. With over 4,000 banana farmers, we can be able to actually grow the economy of this county and this country through this factory. That is why we want to urge Bwanasisi Agriculture that we do everything to speed up and ensure completion of this factory. This is very, very important.
Itatusaidia sana huko mbeleni, lakini kwa sasa hivi tuna changamoto moja kubwa. Ndizi zetu zinaozea shambani, na tunajua kwamba kuna watu ambao wana njaa mahali kwingine. Tungeomba kama serikali yako na department yako ingeangalia jinsi ambavyo ungetusaidia watu wote wafaidi hizi ndizi ziende zilishe watu na pia kulima huko wasipata hasara.
What we are looking at is post-COVID. What are we going to do to revive our economy? And the counties are actually the engines of our economic recovery. And that is why from the President's 8-point plan, you can see plans to stimulate the growth of our economy. And these plans will not happen in Nairobi. These plans will not happen in the air. These plans will happen in the counties.